Hi, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts. And if you're looking for a tumble dryer that's efficient, fast, and stylish, this Series 6 Heat Pump Tumble Dryer could be exactly what you need. It's available in classic white or a stunning graphite finish to suit your space and style. With clever technology, thoughtful design, and energy-saving features, it'll help take the stress out of laundry days. This model is super efficient. With a fantastic energy rating, you'll enjoy powerful drying while saving on energy costs. On busy days, you'll appreciate the Speed Perfect option. It shortens the drying cycle on most programs, so you can get on with other things without having to wait around for the laundry to finish. Drying bedding can be tricky, but not with this model. The bed linen program is designed to keep large sheets and duvet covers moving evenly inside the drum, helping them dry thoroughly without tangling. And the self-cleaning condenser is a real time saver. It automatically cleans itself up to 4 times per drying cycle to flush away lint, keeping the dryer running efficiently without any maintenance from you. Only have a few items to dry? The half load option adjusts the energy usage and drying time to match, so you will never use more than you need for a smaller load. And if you also own a Bosch washing machine with the Bosch Home Connect app, you'll love Smart Dry. Your appliances work together, meaning the washer tells the dryer what's just been washed and the dryer automatically picks the ideal drying program. Whether you're tackling bedding, a quick midweek load, or anything in between, the Bosch Series 6 Heat Pump Tumble Dryer offers energy savings, time-saving tech, and smart convenience.